Ed. Hey, yummy. Oh. Look at that, Daddy. Gawat kita.
You realize you're letting her break the knife rule.
Okay, sorry. Well, you put it there. Okay, Mandy, come. Give it to me. I'll give you something. I'll give you something. A B C D E F G.
Hey, May, that's enough.
No. Daddy will give you a spoon.
No.
That's too much, Ronnie.
I'm not expecting her to eat it. That'll slow her down.
Hey. Give her the spoon.
There's going to be an instant when she realizes her mouth is full of peanut butter and she needs to do something other than.
Okay, put it away.
She just chewed it up.
Quite fatty, you know.
But peanut butter is good for you. Thank you. Okay, baby, take her away from the table, please.
Okay.
No, honey. No, come on.